Thule Motion 3 Rooftop Cargo Box Review. Real road trip proof and honest results. You know that specific Sunday evening feeling when you are standing in the driveway, surrounded by bags, ski gear, camping boxes, and children's everything, genuinely wondering how it is all going to fit? The trunk is already completely full before you have even touched the roof. That quiet tension creeps in before the trip has actually started. And here is the thing, it is never just about physical space. It is about the mental load of solving a three-dimensional packing puzzle every single time you want to travel somewhere meaningful. You rearrange, you compromise, something important gets left behind, and the entire experience begins on a stressed and defeated note rather than an excited one. If that sounds uncomfortably familiar, you are absolutely not alone. Drop a comment below and tell me what gear always gets sacrificed first. The problem never stays neatly in the driveway either. That heavy fog of disorganization follows you directly onto the highway. When bags are stacked awkwardly inside, visibility feels compromised, and you can physically hear the wind fighting whatever cargo solution you rushed to strap up top the night before. Budget roof boxes whistle aggressively at highway speeds. Straps shift unexpectedly on long highway stretches. Gear arrives slightly damp or compressed in ways that frustrate you before you have even checked into the hotel. And every time you pull over at a rest stop to recheck the load, you lose another 20 minutes of daylight and a noticeable amount of collective patience. Let me explain what this pattern actually costs you across a full travel season. It is not just the occasional frustrating moment at the driveway. It is the slow, steady erosion of what should genuinely feel like exciting, restorative travel. Ski weekends become packing negotiations. Family road trips turn into logistics exercises. That quiet drain deserves a real, lasting answer. Then everything changed the moment I discovered the Thule Motion 3 Rooftop Cargo Box. Don't just pick any rooftop cargo box. Make sure it has a dual side opening combined with an automatic slide lock system so you never suffer the maddening chaos of repacking awkwardly from one cramped side of a busy parking lot again. The Motion 3 is engineered from the ground up for modern adventurers who want generous, completely dry, and genuinely secure roof storage without adding wind noise, unnecessary drag penalties, or frustrating installation steps to their journey. It is not simply a plastic box bolted above your vehicle. It is a thoughtfully designed travel system that works quietly and confidently in the background, while you focus entirely on enjoying the trip ahead. The Thule Motion 3 Rooftop Cargo Box delivers several real-life advantages that extend well beyond simply adding more carrying room to your vehicle. The aerodynamic wing-shaped profile measurably reduces drag and keeps wind noise surprisingly manageable at highway speeds, something Yahoo testers specifically called out during real-world driving on a Volkswagen Tiguan. The PowerClick quick mount system includes a built-in torque indicator that clicks audibly when the box is correctly and safely secured, removing all guesswork from the mounting process entirely. One verified customer noted that the XL version fit cleanly on factory crossbars while still maintaining full tailgate clearance, which is a genuinely practical advantage for everyday usability between trips. The slide lock system automatically secures the lid and provides clear visual confirmation that everything is properly sealed before you leave the driveway. Now, the honest objection, worth naming directly, this is a premium investment compared to budget alternatives, and installation is genuinely recommended as a two-person job, given the size and weight involved. That is a completely fair consideration to weigh carefully. But for travelers completing multiple meaningful trips each year, the combination of lifetime warranty coverage, secure dual-side access, and quiet aerodynamic performance makes the long-term value case very straightforward and easy to justify. What kind of trips do you take most often throughout the year? Imagine loading up for your next ski weekend or extended family road trip and feeling genuinely calm and prepared because your gear is secure, completely dry, and aerodynamically sorted above you, without drama. That is the everyday travel reality thousands of adventurers and families already experience consistently with the Thule Motion 3 rooftop cargo box. It is a long-term investment that pays back in quieter highway drives, stress-free packing mornings, and more enjoyable trips from the very first use. Check the affiliate link in the description and the pinned comment. Explore the full-size range available and find the exact configuration that fits your vehicle and travel life perfectly.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.